In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Alibaba notifications on Android 2025, step by step. If your phone keeps buzzing with alerts you don't need, this quick walkthrough will help you take control without missing the essentials you care about. Grab your Android device, open Alibaba, and sign into your account so we can make the changes right away. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right of the screen for the Account tab. It usually shows a person or profile icon. Give that a tap to open your account area. From here, you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Tap Settings to open the app's preferences. This is where all the notification controls live, so you won't need to dig into your phone's system settings for this. Next, choose Notifications. This opens a panel with simple on and off switches for different types of alerts. You can customize exactly what you see and hear. If promotional alerts are crowding your notification shade, switch off promotions and deals. That stops limited time offers, sales, and marketing pop-ups, keeping your feed quieter. If you prefer to check your purchases on your own schedule, turn off order updates. Just remember, disabling this means you won't get real-time alerts for order confirmations, shipping, or delivery. If you're actively waiting for a package, consider leaving this on until it arrives. For those who handle conversations in the app only when convenient, toggle off messages. This stops notifications for new chats or supplier messages while still letting you read them whenever you open the app. And if you want a truly minimal experience, you can turn off system notifications. These are general app notices, tips, or service updates that aren't tied to promotions, orders, or messages. It's a good option if you want the quietest setup possible. As you make these choices, there's nothing else you need to do. Changes save automatically. You'll notice the toggle switches update instantly, and your preferences are applied right away. If you change your mind later, simply come back to the same spot and switch any category back on. A quick tip: interface labels can shift slightly with updates, but the path stays the same. Account, then settings, then notifications. If you're not seeing a reduction in alerts, double check that the correct categories are off and that you're signed into the right account. That's all it takes. You've customized your Alibaba notifications on Android, cutting the noise while keeping what matters. Thanks for watching and enjoy a calmer, more focused notification experience.